You're standing in front of the mirror. The lighting is just right. Or just wrong, depending on how you look at it. You spot it. That little red bump. A tiny, rebellious mountain on the landscape of your face. Your finger instinctively lifts, drawn by an irresistible, primal urge. You think, just one little pop. It'll be gone. It'll be a quick fix. But what if I told you, in that one moment, you could be opening the door to a world of gross, painful, and potentially permanent problems? This isn't just about a satisfying pop. It's a horror story waiting to happen. Let's talk about the reality of what's going on under the surface. A pimple isn't just a bump. It's a clogged pore, a tiny, self-contained ecosystem of oil and dead skin cells, which has now become home to a bacteria called P. acnes. When you press and squeeze, you're not just releasing the gunk, you're often pushing it deeper into your skin. You're rupturing the follicle wall, sending all that bacteria, pus, and debris into the surrounding tissue. It's like a volcanic eruption, happening in slow motion, right under your skin. The result? A bigger, angrier pimple, and a much higher chance of infection. And here's where it gets truly gross. The bacteria on your bare fingers, the ones you just used to open a doorknob or scroll through your phone, are now being introduced directly into this open wound. Every time you squeeze, you're not just dealing with the pimple's contents, you're contaminating it with a whole new army of germs. This can lead to a deeper, more painful skin infection called cellulitis, or even something as serious as a staph infection. But what about going to a professional, like a spa? Surely they know what they're doing, right? While a licensed esthetician has the training, not every spa maintains the highest standards of hygiene. Unsterilized tools can transfer bacteria from one person to another, turning a simple extraction into a cross-contamination